Hello viewers, how are you? We hope you all are fine. So today we will discussing about leaf wall mirrors, decorative and stylish leaf wall mirrors, slender leaf vanity, decorative stylish metallic ideas. So this types of leaf wall mirror, so amazing arrangement feeling short of its potential. We have scored our favorite wall leaf mirror designs and ideas to suit any decor style, something for every theme. So here you will find different types of mirrors, but we highlighted to especially leaf wall mirror because addition to trendy circular ones with unusual shapes thrown in for the extra adventurers. Fine finishes from minimalist black and white and wooden frame and metallic frame to striking metallics like gold and nickel, along with classic natural woods and so many more. Some even include storage space to simplify your morning routine. Explore the useful bathroom mirror compilation for exciting ideas that reflect your personal style. Very simple and uncomplicated and easy to coordinate because these leaf wall mirror framed wall mirrors pops with rounded corners and allows for striking contrast against lighter wall decors. This piece is available in different sizes, and this pieces come in different sizes, two sizes, and may be hung horizontally or vertically. But all the designs are so unique designs, and geometric accents are a favorite trend in contemporary design, and this unique hexagonal vanity mirror offers an easy way to make it part of your every part of your home. This piece is very great and all the designs are so unique. A mirror readily becomes an instant focal point in a smaller space. The versatile design from the walls and hides convenient storage shelves behind it used to hold your everyday. So we hope you enjoy this video. Like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.